I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know me.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides, on the no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded.
Euroyos, I've been. That's better. Euroyos, I've been filming content all day, and I just wanted to do like a little documentary, if that's okay. Yeah. I just made my hair. I made a new hair. Don't worry, you can take pictures. Oh my god, I feel so good. I feel so good. Whew, what is it? He's annoyed because I lowered the volume of what he's watching. Let me fix that real quick. I did, but now how am I supposed to get my video? Am I supposed to be screaming? Hello? Am I supposed to be screaming? You know how some people would comfortably say that they are stepping out of their comfort zone, or like they want to try new things, so they are stepping out of their comfort zone. For me, it's not the same case. Like right now, in my own aspect, I'm stepping into my own zone. I'm stepping into my own zone. I'm sick and tired of doubting, like just doubting in general. Okay, so I'm like doing more things, you know, trying to put myself out there some more and just see what happens. I mean, what's the worst thing that can happen? The worst thing that can happen is me not putting myself out there. Okay, that's the worst thing that can happen. But yeah, so that's basically like what today has been about. I've made this hair. Let me give you guys like a backstory. I made this hair. It's like almost a week now, because I made this hair on Thursday, and today is Tuesday. What does that mean? It means like just 2 days for this hair to turn 1 week. And ever since I made this hair, I've not been having that, would I say, motivation or drive to create content. And just yesterday I was sitting with myself and I'm like, that's unlike me. Like, I made a new hair. I mean, like, I have a new appearance. And I don't want to make content. Like, who is this? Who are you? What is it? Oopsie. Alright, sorry. Sit up. Good boy. Alright, so like I was saying, I was like, that's totally unlike me. Whenever I make a new hair or like anything at all, I like to make content. I like to shoot content. But I wasn't having just like that drive and whatnot. And as much as I understand where it's coming from, I have a lot of things going on. I'm currently here with my baby. I mean, you guys were here when he was annoyed because I turned down the volume of what he was watching. That's a 4-month-old baby, like 4 months old. 4 months and he's like going to 5 months now. Like next month he's gonna be 5. So yeah, but that's by the ways. I finally got up this morning. I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna put some content out there. And for the longest time, I've been battling with posting content on TikTok and Instagram. Because I'm not really like, I'll say I don't have their strength yet, because when I have their strength, they will know. But yeah, but TikTok, I started posting content on TikTok for my business account, and then I tried posting for my personal account, but there was just something that like kept on reoccurring, and that was, I could film a video on my phone, because I film with my phone currently. I'm still filming with my phone. So I would film a video on my phone. I would go through the editing and whatnot. But then whenever I post the video, it turns out blurry. Like, so blurry. I've tried all the tips that they were sharing, export in 1080p and whatnot. I tried it to post on TikTok, to upload on TikTok, but it was not working. The videos will still turn out blurry. So because of that, I just stopped posting on TikTok because I did not like the fact that it was coming off blurry. Like, the content could be so good, the content could be clear, but it's like coming off blurry whenever I upload it, and I was not okay with that because personally I have to really dig into your content for me to be able to stand watching a blurry video. Do you get? So I'm trying to think, if it's someone like me that is watching that video, would they still want to watch it? Okay, so it kind of like discouraged me from posting on TikTok. I stopped posting for my business account, I stopped posting for my personal account. But now I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna let that blurry blurry videos stop me. I'm not gonna let the blurry videos stop me anymore because it's still the same phone that I'm using to film content for my YouTube. And this is how far I've come on YouTube. Like, I've come this far on YouTube with this same phone. And the content is like, I know my content on YouTube are like mid-average, like not so clear, but I know that they are mid-average to me. Oh, like, it's not like I've heard any of you complain or say anything about it. Even I've had some people ask me, what do I film with and what do I edit with? I'm like, wow, that's crazy, because to me, I'm like, bruh, these videos are mid-average. I see them as blurry. And you guys know I also have like myopia, so I use glasses. And I'm like, what of somebody that also has like an eye defect? What would they feel like when they see these videos? But I kept on pushing forward and forward and forward, and this is where we are so far. I'm, thank God, like I hope and I pray that we get to the highest level that we can attain, because I know that we've come far, but this is not the farthest we can go. Okay, yeah. So yeah, like I was saying, I stopped posting for TikTok and both my personal and my business account. But today I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna let the blurry videos stop me anymore. I'm going to put that content out there no matter what. I mean, I'm gonna see my own people. I'm gonna find my own community of people. That there's one crazy thing about growth. When people see you, you know how you like went from that point to the next point, your growth kind of it's like more inspiring and more motivating for people. Do you get? So that is one of the drive that is gonna make me to start creating content on TikTok, even though the videos are blurry. Like, I know my videos can be blurry, but my content is clear. It is crispy clear. You guys, I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I'm so hyped up because I've just been like in my energetic creator mode since the morning. Whew, this is my assistant. I don't know. Hello, 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 hello. He's paying attention now. But yeah, anyway, so I tried creating content for TikTok, and it's always clear on my phone. That's like where it like gives me the ick. It's always clear on my phone, but whenever I upload it, it's like TikTok decreases the quality and whatnot, and it turns out blurry. If that's happening to any of you guys, please let me know in the comment section. I want to know that I'm not alone. Thereby I can also have more ginger, and I hope that by the time you guys are watching this video, I must have been actively posting over there on TikTok. Fingers crossed. I must have been actively posting over there on TikTok. I'm going to keep the link to my socials. It's always in my bio. Like, it's pinned in my bio. But I'm going to add it now to the description. Yeah, I'm going to add it to my description. Please go and follow me on TikTok. And I'll also be leaving my business TikTok handle up on the screen, because that one I don't tag it. It's not in my bio, but I'm going to leave it on the screen. Go over there and check out what I am doing, royals. Like, go over there and check out what I'm doing, because it is for us. It is for us. Come. Yeah. My baby. Shark do baby. Shark do baby shark. He was just bored because he's just sitting over there, and my baby was bored. So please go and follow me on TikTok. I don't know, I'm rambling. Just like I said I came here to dump. Okay, this is not content. This is like real life. This is unfiltered. This is uncut content. So do you have something to say? You have a lot to say. I see you have a lot to say. But yeah, so go support your girl. Go support me, Royals, over on TikTok. Candy, can you please now? This is stressful. Honestly, it's stressful. You know how many times he has disrupted my content today, but I won't trade it for anything else. I won't trade you for anything else. What else did I want to share? Of course, if it's happening to you too, like your videos turn blurry anytime you post it on TikTok, and you have tried the uploading in 1080, they say don't upload in 4K, upload in 1080p, and I've tried it. It's still coming off blurry. But yeah, anyways, that's what I came on here to dump on you guys. Let me know how your week is going, how your day is going. I feel good. I hope this energy is like so what's it called, what's that word, it's attracting, exactly, like I'm exuding this energy to you. I hope that if your day is like you've been feeling low today, or your day has been feeling somehow, just tap from this vibrant energy that I've had all morning. Tap from it. Okay, so do let me know how you are doing in the comment section. Okay, please let me know how you are doing in the comment section. It's been a while I heard from you guys. Let me know how you are doing in the comment section. And also to all my new royals, you guys are so welcome to my channel. Over here I try as much as possible to impact. And I also hope to learn from my wonderful community, because nobody is an encyclopedia of knowledge. Is that how they say it? Exactly. So knowledge is something that as you are garbaging in, try to garbage out. That's the way it's gonna flow. It's gonna flow like more better, right? What else did I want to say? I feel like I'm forgetting something. There's something else I wanted to say. Whew. My dear, life can make you somehow, guy. God, what is there to say? Oh yes, I remember. So I tried something regarding the TikTok stuff. Usually I would record with my phone camera, and then I would edit with any editing app that I make use of. Later on I would export it to TikTok and find out that it blurs my video. But today I tried something fun. Like, it was actually fun. I used the TikTok camera instead. I used the TikTok camera to make the video. Now the truth is, it was looking good. Actually, it was looking good, but I did not export the video. I just kept it in my draft, and so like it's in my draft, but it's looking good still. Although I have not exported it like to TikTok, like to my page actually, and see whether or not it's going to be blurry, you know. But maybe you can try that if you're also facing the same issues that I just mentioned as a creator. You can try that as well. So I tried filming with the TikTok app, and I would say that it's actually like not bad. It's pretty basic, not bad, and not also back to like work with and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm so happy that I'm finally like taking this. Like you royals should not be surprised when you see me coming. Don't be surprised, okay? Don't be surprised. Please support, engage on my videos, my posts, anywhere you see it. Actually, go stalk me on my social media. I think I have it linked below, because I don't do all that Instagram, TikTok. I don't think I have time for that. So once you click my LinkedIn, it's going to direct you to sorry so it's going to direct you to the rest of my socials, like all my social. I think I have Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and even Snapchat there. So it's going to direct you over to there, where you can stalk me, engage on my posts, on my videos. And also thank God I remembered, please give me video ideas. If you've been watching my video and you've like been keeping up with my posts, you've been engaging and whatnot, under this video right now, I want you to go to the comment section and leave me a video idea, or maybe a content you like to see from the Empress face, and I'm gonna be really happy to make that video for you all. Like, I can never say no. As long as it aligns with my content and my values, I am definitely going to push out that content for you all. If you have questions, you do have a lot to say. Yeah, if you have questions, do let me know in the comment section. Let me know your questions. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. If this is your first time of seeing me, please subscribe. Okay, subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, royals.